Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Now while I've got the camera out, I wanted to take a look at something I think is really special. I'm very excited about it. As you guys know, I've looked at some aviation watches or aviation inspired watches because I really wanted to send my dad something. He's had a pretty rough go of it the past few months. And I just wanted to send him something to cheer him up. Now, this watch is actually a custom watch that was done by P.K. Horology, handcrafted watches to order. So when I saw this one, and actually I should say I saw Andrew's box opening of a watch that P.K. did for him, and it was super cool. Now I hopped on the site, started looking at watches because I was looking for something for myself, because I saw that Peter had done some really cool brass case watches that he'd patinaed up and just really cool, and I've been looking at brass case watches, something different, and I saw this watch that he had just recently finished. And as soon as I saw it, I knew I wanted to get it for my dad. So it came in a nice, just a nice gift case, really nice. And as you can see, that has a P-51 Mustang engraved. To be honest, guys, I have no clue how Peter does this. So this watch is a 45mm, has sapphire crystal. And honestly, if you look at that dial, it is so flippin' cool. It has, to me, it has the look of almost a worn out coin. Really cool design. Some more info on this one. It is running a Swiss E.T.A 2824 movement. It has see-through case back. You know I'm a big fan of that. Screw down crown, which that movement is a hackable movement. As you see, when I pulled the crown all the way out, that second hand stopped. And you know what, I like the it can be hand wound, obviously, as I'm winding it back down. I like the hand choices he used on this. Threw it on a nice thick black leather strap. And it's funny, I showed my sister this one. She thinks my dad's gonna flip out when he sees it. She thinks it would look really good on a brown strap as well, but I think it looks super cool on that black. And honestly, I will be ordering something else from Peter in the future. It just is so cool. Like, I mean, I can't get over how neat that dial looks. To be honest, guys, I'm not sure that my dad will wear this that much, just because it might be harder for him to set the time. But it's something that I think he will really appreciate, the craftsmanship and the time that Peter put into this to do it. Now, I am not going to talk about a price on this one, other than I will say it was very reasonable, considering, you know, we got sapphire glass, that Swiss E.T.A 2824 movement, and the time and craftsmanship it took to go into that. The reason why I won't talk about the actual money on this one is all of the watches that Peter does are custom. And he has a lot of different dial choices you can choose from. He's been playing around with different case designs, and some of his more popular ones are actually giant brass nuts that are just super cool when they're patinaed up. I'm going to link Andrew's video in my comments below so you can check out the creation that Peter made for him. I tell you what, guys, watch that video and check out the lume on the watch, on the dial of Andrew's watch. It is insanely cool. I have never seen anything like it before. And when I talked to Peter, he pretty much said it was just something he thought about and was playing around with. And it came out flippin' incredible, guys. So what do you think of that one? I definitely think this one's a little bit cooler than the Aviate watches I had originally got and was going to send my dad one of those, but I might still send him one as a good knock around, and this will be just his super cool piece that he can put on when he wants to change it up. But I am super excited about this one. I think my dad's going to be insanely excited about it. There's Peter's info again. And I believe his name, how to say his last name is Kazupski. Hopefully I didn't butcher that too bad, Peter. But I am super excited for this one. And I know my dad will be too. So guys, let me know what you think about that one in the comments below. As always guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.